Training can also be influenced by who is being trained. As the workforce changes, so do their training needs. In the United States, the workforce is aging and is more diverse than ever before. While these changes do produce benefits for organizations and for individuals, they can also create challenges, like making sure all employees perceive that the work environment is fair. Generally speaking, the more diverse a workforce, the more diverse their training needs. When we talk about diversity in organizations, we're talking about more than just the surface level characteristics that we can easily see. Characteristics like gender, age, ethnicity. We're also talking about the type of diversity that we can't see. Diversity of ideas, diversity of preferences, diversity of experiences. One category of diversity that doesn't get much attention but is relevant to training and development is diversity in career paths. More and more people are choosing non-traditional career paths, which means that organizations have had to get more creative in terms of how they train these individuals and how they use training to recruit and hire the most talented employees. In order to address the challenges that come along with the recent changes in workforce demographics, in order to address these challenges, training needs to help both managers and employees do a couple of things. This list is not exhaustive, but these three things play a major role in effective training programs. First, employees need to be able to communicate with people from different backgrounds. Employees need to be able to share feedback, constructive feedback that helps others improve, but feedback that is also free of bias. I use air quotes around the word free because we can never be completely free of bias. The goal is to minimize it. Third, and this is mostly for leaders and managers, employees need to know how to create a learning environment that supports everyone.